Hello, dear Prime Testers, and welcome to this short tutorial video on how to connect Android devices to the Ubertesters platform. Ensuring compatibility of your Android devices with the Ubertesters platform is crucial for your productive work as a tester on our platform. This video illustrates what you need to do to connect your Android device and offers a step-by-step guide. Open the dashboard.ubertesters.com link from your mobile device and click Install Ubertesters for Android. The Ubertesters app will be installed on your device. Click on the Ubertesters icon and launch the app on your device. Note: make sure you've allowed the installation of Ubertesters APK. Go to Settings, Security, or Settings depending on your device, and set a checkmark on Unknown Sources. Allow installations of non-market apps. Then, you can see the sign-in page. Sign in by using your email address and password. In case you're not registered yet, you can do it by filling out the short form. Open the Ubertesters app on your device and choose Projects on the top bar. The icon of the newly installed app to test should appear. Once you press on the app, you might get a message saying you are not a member of any organization. At this stage, just wait for the project manager to let you in. When your app is installed and you're invited by the project manager to the test cycle, you're ready to start the testing process. Launch your app and use our bug submission tool to report issues and bugs. That's it. Now you know how to connect Android devices to the Ubertesters platform. Thank you for your loyalty and devotion. Your hard work is crucial in maintaining the quality we have established. Happy testing. Prime Testers, Prime Results.